you guys, it's simply Nita coming back with another video today for you guys. Today's video will be a hair tutorial on how to style your Havana twist, you guys, which is this that I have in my hair right now. Also, you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, so therefore you will be notified whenever I do upload a video. Also, you guys, make sure that you're watching the video all the way to the end and following the rules so that you can get a shout out on my video. So keep in mind that all of my social media info or any info needed about this video or on these hairstyles will be in the description box below for you guys. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is lay your edges, and for that step I have the little edge brush. I have a little piece of cloth that I use to tie my edges down with. I have my Eco Styler gel, and this one is the black castor and flaxseed oil. Y'all, I love this. This is like my holy grail. I use it on my hair faithfully. So you just want those products. I'm gonna open this up, and when I do my edges, you guys, I usually set my timer for like about 10 minutes or so. And yeah, so before you get started on doing any of your hairstyles, you gotta make sure your edges are laid and slayed to the guys, honey. So let's see, set my timer for 10 minutes. Go ahead and set it up, so that way, whenever I do get done laying my edges, I can just go ahead and hit start. So first thing you want to do, take my hair out of the twisty. You guys, you want to make sure you pull your hair all the way back. All the way back. Pull it all the way back, so that way, you know, you can get your edges really good. Get all of them in. Lay them down really good. I'm going to take my hair twisty. I'm just going to pull my hair back into a little ball. Not even a full ponytail, just like a little puff ball back there. Okay, so with my edges, the first thing that I like to do, you guys, and excuse me if I'm not looking directly in the camera, I'm looking at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So make sure my hair is pulled back. I just kind of brush my edges down some. You guys, just kind of brush them down so that they're laying down. And I'm not doing anything too spectacular with my edges today. Just something quick and simple for the purpose of this video. So I usually take my little brush, I dip it in my gel like this. You don't want too much, just you know, enough to kind of lay on your brush your edges down with. Just enough to brush your edges down. Alright, now that I have my edges brushed down, I am going to go ahead and start swooping. And basically, you know, you just kind of do it in a little swoop method. I just kind of hold it and just do it like that. And like I said, I'm not doing nothing too major with my edges today, you guys, because this is for the purpose of the video only. Too much doing into that and that much. Take this one and swoop it back. This one. Let's try this again. And y'all, you're not gonna get your edges perfect the first time you do them. Not all the time. So sometimes, you know, it's a little trial and error. You have to kind of just do them again, you know. Nothing too major. Brush that side down, brush this side down. Okay, so now that I have my edges laid, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down with my little cloth right here, and I just put it on my edges like that. Tie it in the back, and make sure you get a good little tie on it so that it lays down pretty good. Y'all look like I'm pulling them extremely tight, but I promise you I'm not. It's really not that tight at all. And I tied in a little bow back there. Alright, y'all, so while my edges are laying down, I'll see y'all in about 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, so the first look that we will be achieving today is going to be the basically your hair just hanging down, flip to the side. So all you do is pull your hair out of the hair twister or hair tie, whatever you have it in, you guys. And don't mind me if I'm looking opposite direction. I'm looking in the mirror, make sure I'm getting the hairstyles correct. So you just pretty much take the hair and just flip it to the side, you guys. And this is the first look. Let's see if I can get this thing to set up right. Okay, you guys, so this is the very first look, which is this to the side. And it's very versatile, which means you can flip it to either side. You can do it to the left side or the right side. But yeah, so this is the first look. Okay, you guys, hairstyle number 2 is going to be 2 low ponytails. So basically, all you do is, if you can see, just kind of separate your hair in the middle, all the way back, you guys, to get it on 2 sides, like so, like this, you guys. And you just want to take 2 of your scrunchies, which I'm obviously struggling to get off the little pack. You want to take 2 scrunchies, you guys, or 2 elastic bands. Okay, so take the first side and kind of just pull it all together. Make sure you have all of it together. So when you put your elastic band on, it's all together, you guys. You're going to pull it to kind of the side. You just tie your elastic band on there. Now you can tie it on there more than once, or you can tie it on there once. For video purposes, I'm only going to tie it once because I don't want it to be too tight or really just set in place, because I am actually going to take this down to show you guys the other hairstyles. So you just pull it through the elastic band. And there you have it, you guys. 2 ponytails on the side. Let's get a close-up. So you see I kind of a cricket little part, but it's a part. So I did the part. I have my baby hairs laying down, you guys. And yeah, so this is look 2, the 2 low ponytails. Alright, you guys, so look number 3. Okay, you guys, hairstyle number 3 is going to be a half up, half down. Basically, you just take your hair and get a little bit, just pull it all back. And you see how I'm making sure that I have all my side pulled up. I don't want to leave none down on the sides. So just kind of make sure all the sides are pulled up. Make sure I have none left on the sides down there. Okay, you know, you center it straight to the back, you guys. Like kind of like a high pony, straight to the back. You take your elastic band and you just tie it around the hair And with you guys, you can tie it as many times as you would like or as desired, but for video purposes, I'm only going to tie this around once. And you guys, so I don't have to keep saying this the whole video. With these hairstyles, you can always do them neater, add your own little special touches to them, or however you want to do it. For, like I said, purposes of the video, I'm not going to be doing it really tight because I am going to be taking them right back down to show you guys the other hairstyles. So with that being said, that's why mine's not as tight as I would usually wear it. It's because I am going to be taking these hairstyles right back down. So you guys can, let's get some looks for a minute. You can do get two sections from the back and pull it to the side and have it down like this. And you see my baby hairs are laying down. You know, you kind of just separate it like you're doing the Poetic Justice ponytail, you guys. Or you can actually kind of switch it up and do it all straight to the back. You know, you would just flip all of this to the back, you guys, and do it all straight back. See, that's another look. Or you can do some in the front and leave some in the back. That's another look with it, you guys. Or you can flip that one to the back and do this side to the front. And leave this side to the back. That's another look, you guys. Or you can even pull out two pieces, y'all, and do you a little bang, two little bangs, you know. So you can definitely do Poetic Justice like that. Pull it to the front. And have your two little bangs out. Tell me I'm not serving looks, you guys, with this half up, half down hairstyle. So that's all for this hairstyle. We're gonna go right into hairstyle number 4. Alright, you guys, I do want to thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. You guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss an upload from me. Also, you guys, remember my upload days will be Mondays and Thursdays at 5 p.m. is when I will be dropping my videos. So you guys make sure you stay tuned in for that. So at the end of this video, the word I want you to drop down in the comment section for me is more hair. So you guys make sure you drop that down, and also follow all rules for the shout outs, which at the end of this video, my shout outs for this video will be Mccoo, Isha, and Lowzza. So I do want to thank you guys for following the instructions in order to get this shout out at the end of the video. You guys keep up the good work, and y'all enjoy the rest of your day.